Hello children, welcome to our maths class. I am Anju, your maths teacher. So today our topic is rounding numbers. Rounding numbers. So have you ever gone for shopping? So you must have familiar with bills, is it? So this is a bill here. We have a bill here. That is notebooks, files, ink bottle, pencils are purchased here. And the total amount here is 105 and 105 rupees and 80 paise. But the total amount paid is 100. Okay, so in some cases we have to round the numbers. So we are going to study more about how to round the numbers. First one, rounding to the nearest 10. Here we have a number line rounding numbers to the tens place. Here we have the number line from 1 to 80. Okay, and the red color number shows here 12. So 12, we know that 12 is in between 10 and 20. But 12 is more closer to 10. Is it? 12 is more closer to 10. So we can tell that 12 is round to 10. 12, we can round 12 into 10. Okay. Another example here we have 66, and 66 is in between 60 and 70. So here we know that 66 is more nearer or more closer to 70. So we can tell that 60, 66 round to 70. 66 round to 70. For example, 32. We want to round 32 to the nearest tens. Okay. So what we have to do is just look at the ones place. Look at the ones place. If ones place is less than 5, if one place is less than 5, we can round it down. We can round it down. That is 32, we can round it 30. Round to 30. Suppose the number is 35. Look at the ones place. It is 5. If ones place number is 5 or above, we can round up. We can round it up. That means we can round the number to 40. Next example, 37. So look at the ones place. It is 7. So it is more than 5. So we have to round into 40. Round the number to 40. That means if ones place digit is 5 or more, we can round it up. And if the ones place digit is less than 5, we can round down. We can check more example. Suppose the number is 52. 52, listen, 2 is in the ones place. 2 is less than 5. So we can round the number to 50. If the number is 146, look at the ones place. The ones place is 6. So 6 is above 5, more than 5. So we can round the number as number to 150. 150. Next one is rounding to the nearest 100. Here we have a number line. We have a number 168. 168 is in between 100 and 200. But we know that 168 is more closer to 200. So we can tell that 168 is round nearest 200. Round to 200. And here we have 2456. So we know that 2456 is in between 2400 and 2500, but it is more closer to 2500. I will tell you more example. Suppose we have one number 346. We want to round to the nearest 100. So we have to check the 100 place. Round the 100 place, circle the hundreds place and underline the tens place. If underline number, that is if the tens place is less than 5, we can round down to the number. That means here we have 4 that is less than 5. So this number we can round down to 300. We can round this number to 300. Another example, 586. So what we have to do? We have to round to the nearest 100. So in 100 place, circle the hundreds place, underline the tens place. And just check underline digit, it is 8. So we have to check it is above 5 or below 5. If the number is above 5, we have to round it up. That means we can round this number to 600. If the tens place number is above 5, we have to add one more 100 to this number. That means 5 plus 1, it will become 6. That means we can round the number to 600. Suppose the number is 8647. So round the 100 place, circle the hundreds place, underline the tens place. And just check it is 4. 4 is below 5. So we have to round down. So we can write the number as 8000. If it is down or below 5, we have to write the same number 6. 8600. One more example I will tell you. If the number is 2486, circle the 100 place and underline the tens place. Just check the underlined place is above 5 or below 5. It is actually above 5, so we have to round up. That means write the same number, the left number we can write the same 2000, and this will change. If the number is above 5, it will change into one more number 5 and add zeros, 2500. Next one is rounding to the nearest 1000. So here we have an example, 4640 is in between 4000 and 5000. But 4640 is more closer to 5000. So we can round up that number, we can round up to 5000. I'll tell you, we have a number 8472. Here we want to round to the nearest 1000. So circle the thousands place and underline the next number, next place. Here 100 place. Underline the 100 place and just check 4. Here the number is 4. That number is above 5 or below 5. It is below 5, we can round down. If 5 or above 5, if that number is 5 or above, we can round up. Okay, here we have to round down. So the same number we can write 8 and the other places we can put 0. Okay, another example, 38,571. Here, the thousands place we have to underline. Sorry, circle. And the next place we have to underline. And just check, it is 5. So we have to round up. Okay. And 3, we can write the number 3, same 3. And 8 will become 9. If the number is above 5, we have to add 1000. Okay. So 8 will become 9. Then put zeros. The other place we can put 0. So 39,000. One more example I'll tell you. 14,875. So here we have to circle the thousands place and underline the 100 place. And just check if that is above 5 or 5 or above or below 5. It is 8, that is above 5. So what you have to do? We have to round up. Round up means we have to go to the next number. 4 will become 5. That means 15. The other places we can put 0. That is 15,000. Next example. 84,302. So here we can underline, circle the thousands place and underline the ones. 100 place. Circle the thousands place, underline the 100 place. And just check, it is 3. 3 is below 5. Okay. So we have to round down. That round down means the same number we can write. This number will not, thousands place will not change. That means 84,000.
Dear children, next we have to do some textbook exercise. Page number 11, exercise 5. First one, round to the nearest 10. Question number A, 32. 30 in 32, 2 is there in the ones place. So as we have to round to the nearest 10, check the ones place and check the 2 is less than or greater than 5. We know that 2 is less than 5. So we can round down. Okay, that means 32 we can round down to 30. There will not be any change in the tens place. Next question, 67. Just check the ones place, it is 7. So it is greater than 5. So we have to round up to the number 70. That means we have to add 1 to tens place. That means 6 plus 1, that is 70. The third question is 452. In ones place there is 2. 2 is less than 5. So there will not be any change in the tens place. So that we can round the number, round down the number 450. Okay. And question number D, 85. In ones place it is 5. So we have to round up. Round 85, round up to 90. The next number 90. The other one, the next one, 114. We know that 114 is lying between 110 and 120. But 114 is closer to 110. That means we can round the number to 110. And in another way, check the ones place. Ones place is 4. That means less than 5. So we will not have any changes in tens place. Question number F. Next number is 966. So check the ones place, it is 6. Greater than 5. So we have to round up. That is 966. 70. Next one is 2456. The ones place is 6, that is above 5, greater than 5. So we can round it up. 2460. The last question, 23,450. That is actually a tens, that is. So we can round to that same number, 23,450. Next one is round to the nearest 100. So the first question, 754. As we have to round to the nearest 10, we have to check the 100 place. Round to the nearest 100. So just circle the 100 place and underline the tens place. And just check the tens place is greater than 5 or less than 5. So here it is 5. We have to round up. Round up means we have to add one more to this 100 place. That is 800. The other places we can put 0. That is, we can round up to 800. Next question, 8638. We have to circle the 100 places and underline the tens place. It is 3, that is below 5. So we have to round down. Write the same thousands place, we can write the same number. So if it is, since it is less than 5, there will not be any change in the 100 place. The same number we can write 6. The other places are 0. 8,600. And the next number is 9,772. Underline the, circle the 100 place, underline the tens place. Just check the tens place, it is 7, above 5. So we have to add one more to this. That is round up to 9,800. Next number 149. So circle the 100 place, underline the tens place. It is 4, below 5. So there will not be any change in the 100 place. It is round down to 100. The next number is 150. The next number is 150. Circle the 100 place, underline the tens place. It is 5. If it is 5, since it is 5, we have to round up to 200. The next number, 45,813. Circle the 100 place, underline the tens place. It is less than 5. So we can write 45, same number 45, 800. Next question, 27,390. Circle 100 place and underline the tens place. It is 9, that means greater than 5. So round it up, 27,400. And the last question, 199. Circle the 100 place, underline the tens place. The tens place is above 5. So we can round it up. That means 200. Next question, round to the nearest 1000. So the first question is 4,892. So since we have to round to the nearest 1000, just circle the thousands place and underline the next number, next place, that is 100 place. Then just check 8 is, here it is 8. 8 is above 5. So we have to round up. That means it will not, there is one place we have to add in the thousands place. That means 4 will become 5 and put 0, 5,000. The next question 67,101. The thousands place is 7, circle it, underline the hundred place. It is 5, that is below 5. It is 1, that is below 5. So we can round down. Same number, there will not be any change in the thousands place. That is 67,000. The next number is 1,499. Circle the thousands place, underline the hundred place. It is below 5, so same the round down to thousands.
Hope you understood what we discussed today. So we can see in the next class, children. Bye.